Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple accounts on TikTok. So first you need to open up TikTok. Then you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you need to click this arrow on the top center. And you will be able to see the accounts you are logged in with in this device. Then you need to go to the specific account you want to log out. Go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. Scroll down, and on the very bottom you're gonna see logout. You can do this with many accounts, with all of the accounts, and you just need to basically log them out one by one. Alright, so all in all, this is how to remove multiple accounts on TikTok.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.